So the kinds of problems I see with CBT are the same problems with psychology in general. All the major psychotherapies were developed by a very homogeneous group of people, primarily people who are white, male, able-bodied, heterosexual, Christian or secular heritage. So they had a particular perspective in the world. And as a result, the assumptions and values that were embedded in their perspectives weren't challenged by people of other cultures or backgrounds. So that, like I said, that's a problem in psychology in general. And it's trickled down into psychotherapy in many forms, but one form is the emphasis we have on particular practices, approaches, values. For example, the emphasis on individualism. Psychotherapy in general has been more geared towards individual therapy. We do have family and couples approaches, but I would say in general, including CBT in that regard. Also, the value on assertiveness over harmony, the value on the individual well-being over community well-being. So those are just a few examples.